have here our pink, our pastel pink cotton thread. We have our yarn needle, scissor, and we're going to make use of our 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. Of course, you can make use of any yarn of your choice. If you have your scrap yarn as well, you can make use of them so as not to waste. So to start off, we are going to make our slip knot. And for those who are just starting to crochet, I have a beginner course, and you can check that out. I will put the link on the iCard here on top of our video. So once you have done your slip knot, chain 6, and slip stitch on the very last chain, chain 5, our chain 5 will count as 1 double crochet and a chain of 2. Make 5 double crochet on the ring, chain 2, and repeat the process until you have 4 sets or 4 groups of 5 double crochets with a chain 2 in between. All right, so now we have done our 4 sets, and on the last one we're just going to make 4 double crochet since we made this first chain 3. So we're going to make 1 more, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and we're going to slip stitch to join. So now we have our base. So slip stitch on the chain 2 space, chain 2, our chain 2 will count as our first double crochet, make 1 more double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Now we're going to double crochet on top of our 5 double crochets. Again, when you reach your corner, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Again, repeat the process. Make 1 double crochet in each of the 5 double crochets, and when you reach the corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. And I will meet you when we are already on our end. So now we are done with our second round, and we need to slip stitch on the chain 2 that we made earlier, So this time we need to slip stitch again until we reach our chain 2 space, chain 2, and the same thing, make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. This time we're going to make 3 double crochets on top of the first 3 double crochets that we have of the previous round. So that's the first one, second one, and the third double crochet. Then we're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet again. You can see what is left after you skip 3. What is left is again 3 double crochets. The same thing on the first part. So 3 double crochets, skip 3 double crochets, and then make 3 double crochets again on the last 3 double crochets, right? We did not, if you notice, we did not make any chain in between. Then on the corner, 2 double crochets again, chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet. So So you just have to repeat until you reach the very first double crochet that we make, and we're going to make our slip stitch. Make your second double crochet on top of this double crochet. Chain 2, two more double crochets, again we're going to make 3 double crochets on top of the first 3 double crochets of our previous round. And we're going to skip this first 2 double crochets and this second set of 2 double crochets. So in total we're going to skip this 4 double crochets, and what left is 3 double crochets again. So we're going to make 1 double crochet on top of the double crochets here without making any chain in between. Insert your hook and directly make your double crochet. Of course, in every corner, 2 double crochets and 2 chains in between, and 2 double crochets again. Of course, in every corner, we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. So repeat the process until you reach the height that you want, depending on your glass, if you're going to use it on your glass, or if you want to make it shorter, you can make it on your you can make it for your candle holder. So just repeat the process on every corner. Again, 2 double crochets, a chain 2, 2 double crochets, and then on the first 3 chains, make 1 double crochet each. Skip the next 4 stitches, 4 chains, and then on the last 3 chains, you make 1 double crochet on each of them. All right? So now I have made 7 rounds and it fits on our glass. Like I said, you can make it as tall as you want, as high, depending on how high you want to cover your glass, or you want it this low only. So you have the option to add more rounds into it. So happy crocheting everyone again. Thank you so much for joining me today, and God bless.